Today we will learn WH words plus ever, such as whatever, whichever, whenever, wherever, however, etc. To speak English, you must know these. Today I will try to teach you where and how to use them, but through very simple examples, so that you can learn very easily. I hope after today you will not be wrong to use it. Whatever. Do whatever you want. Eat whatever you want. Ask whatever you want to know. I will do whatever you say. Whichever. Choose whichever dress you like. Take whichever bag is yours. Take whichever bag is yours. You can buy whichever you want. You can cook whichever dish you like. Whichever project you have completed. Whichever project you have completed. Whenever. You can come whenever you want. Call me whenever you want. Come to my house whenever you like. I will help you whenever you need it. Wherever. Sit wherever you like. I will go wherever you want me to go. You can go wherever you want. Wherever you go, you will find the same kind of people. Wherever you go, you will find the same kind of people. However. However, I know this. However, you should go. However, he tried. However, the salary was good. Whoever. Whoever can come, please come. Whoever you were. Whoever wants this can come. Whoever knows about it can tell. Whoever wants can go there. Whomever. You can invite whomever you like. Call whomever you want to call. Whomever you know, you can call. Whatsoever. I am with you whatsoever you will do. Whosoever. Whosoever wants to go can go. Whomsoever. Call whomsoever you know. The king chooses whomsoever he wanted to. I hope I have taught you the use of WH words plus ever, and I don't think you would be wrong to use them. If you want, you can use WH word everywhere from now on, without making any mistake. Practicing these will greatly improve your English. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will definitely try to answer.